Hey, what's up? This is Michael Bidoza. This is Memorial Day weekend, and I want to try to find a faster method of vlogging, and I'm going to just try this all on a GoPro Hero 4, and I'm going to make some fried rice. We have some Chinese sausage here, garlic, green onions, the bottom parts, these are the tops. And then this is some old white rice we've had, which is actually perfect for fried rice because we're going to reconstitute it with flavor and we're going to toast it. Got a little bit of lime. And I had a little taco sesh a couple of days for the office. So these are the leftover limes from that. We have some leftover red onions that we're going to use. And this is kind of the essentials. Oh, and I can't forget about eggs. There's some cilantro here. And then we need some soy sauce. Don't want to forget that. This is my little secret, white pepper. I like to actually finish it off too with a little bit of sesame oil. This one's obsessed with sesame oil, so I have to make sure to add that. Just to make sure we have enough rice too. She went and cooked a pot of it, old school way. It's a little bit more wet than we wanted to, but when it combines with the dry stuff that we had that's like a couple of days old, it should be better. Let's bring out my wok setup. This is my taco setup. So the problem here though is I found this at a yard sale for $5. The wok's pretty clean, and this is meant to go over some sort of burner, but because this moves while I shake it, I'm not getting whatever that's called when you get a little bit of the burn from this. But I can achieve the heat that I need here versus trying to go there on the electric stovetop. So, for the meanwhile, I'll just heat it up here and we'll get this started. All right, let's make sure this thing is open, which it already is. All right, got that started. We're gonna hear a humming sound in the background because this is got some humming thing going on. I hope it's okay. Nothing's blowing up yet, so I say we're in the green. All right. So I'm letting that kind of burn off, and I'm just gonna let that heat up, get this nice and hot. All right, I'm gonna take this one at a time. I'm gonna do the oil here, and I'm gonna cook my sausage first. So I'm gonna cook the sausage so it's got a nice golden brown look to it. All right. Kind of heavy on the oil here, so I got my spider out, and I'm gonna help drain that so I can use that oil for other things. Alright. So we'll drain that. next I'm gonna do the eggs. I'm gonna let that heat up again, actually. So I want a nice hot pan. I want to make sure that this doesn't get stuck to the edges, like so. My neighbors. I'm gonna go ahead and put this sausage. So it's all gonna go back in one big place. All right. So I'm gonna let this come back up to heat again, and then I'm gonna do all the veggies. I got my garlic.
Because I had one, my friend about it, didn't want to know anymore.
So remember I was saying this thing moves too much? So I want to sweat my onions, and then I'm going to get my rice toasted here, and I want to break this up as much as I can. So I want my rice to be a little bit toasty. And I still need to add the rice that Sarah gave me. I don't need too much, but there's only 3 of us eating. I think that should be enough. The dishes away, make some more space, clean as we go. All right, so I turned it off because as a chef, you're always master of your heat, and I don't want to burn anything. But I still want some good toast here. So I'm gonna let this rice toast up to give it that fried rice charred taste that we're looking for. Even too, I can smell all the onions, I can smell the garlic. It's smelling really good. I'm gonna go ahead and reintroduce the eggs and the sausage. So that all kind of combined. We're gonna hit it with the soy sauce. So soy sauce I treat like salt. You don't want to overdo it, but you want enough to make it flavorful. Actually, I forgot a key ingredient here. Y'all see that? That's fish sauce. That's going to provide that umami that we're looking for. So I'm going to do a couple of, just a little bit. I'm going to hit it with the white pepper. I'm going to turn this down. I need something to squeeze this lime with. Thank you to my sous chef, Sarah. I mean, I don't have to juice limes this way, but this is just Beats trying to juice like a whole bunch of these little ones all at one time. I mean, I can do it all at one time now. A little trash bowl. All right. Let's combine this a little bit. All right, let's give this a taste. All right, we're in a good place. I'm just gonna round this off with a little bit of sesame oil. Just a little bit. Oh, you put these so I can cook these further, huh? The bottoms?
The white end part? Yeah.
Okay, we'll cook that. Here, I'm gonna add this now just to... So what I was looking for was if there was enough salt from the soy sauce, and I definitely got that. And then the lime brightened it up. And then the sesame oil is actually gonna change up the flavor profile a lot. But if you eat sesame oil the way this family does, you'd want more actually. So let's go ahead and this tastes wonderful. Oh, my sous chef, thank you for putting my plate there. Actually, here, let me just come in. Sarah's gonna come here and top it off with some cilantro. Look at that. Ooh. add a little bit of this into the mix. Gives it a little bit more flavor. All right. Does that look good or what? At least you're doing the happy dance. I still have food in my mouth. So I'm gonna talk with my hand over my mouth. I love my wok setup. My wok setup is perfect for Filipino fried rice, and you know I don't even think it's Filipino because I made it. But fried rice is kind of just like some universal Asian stuff. It's a universal Asian dish. This guy's gonna be excited for it too.
Hey, what's up?
This is all you, bro.
Oh, there's more rice.
But can you do it? Here, let's have a top chef session. So, judges, what do you guys think of my fried rice?
Okay, so I'm gonna be like Joe, and I'm just gonna give you blankest expression. And then I walk away. But it's actually really good.
Yeah, it's so good.
I saw footage of her dancing. Yeah, she got the wiggle, the shoulder wiggle.
It was so good.
Still blank expression. Joe, he's just joeing me.
Also because I'm tired. It plays better because I'm tired.
Oh, okay. I mean, is it good though?
It is good.
Or is it just like how good? Like 1 to 10?
It's like
10.
11.
No way. That's so. I'm not. I have immunity. I could stay on the show.
Forever.
No black apron tonight.
There you guys have it. I'm still in the game. Catch next episode of Top Tuscan Chef and see if I get eliminated next week.